Hey everyone, welcome back to Metacraft. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Today, we're diving into an important topic, programs in community medicine. Sounds straightforward, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's break it down. So, what exactly is a program? A program is an ongoing activity that continues until specific objectives are achieved. Think of it as a long-term plan with a clear mission to improve health outcomes. For example, the Expanded Program of Immunization, or EPI, is a global initiative designed to protect children from vaccine-preventable diseases. Pretty impressive. Now let's talk about the types of programs. Programs can be classified into two main categories. Vertical programs. These programs focus on a single health activity or service. For instance, the AIDS Control Program, or the EPI, they're laser-focused on one goal, like controlling a specific disease or increasing immunization rates. Vertical programs are like specialists. They target one problem with maximum efficiency. Horizontal programs. Now, on the other hand, we have horizontal programs. These cover multiple dimensions of health, addressing both personal health and community health. Examples include Social Action Programs 1 and 2, SAP 1 and SAP 2, the National Program for Family Planning, and primary healthcare initiatives like Benazir's program. Horizontal programs work like general practitioners. They look at the big picture and provide comprehensive care. Here's something cool. When a vertical program, like immunization, is integrated into an existing health facility, it transforms into a horizontal program. For instance, social action programs, SAP, include multiple services like primary healthcare, sanitation, primary education, rural water supply, and family planning. Talk about teamwork in action, right? Programs are crucial because they help communities achieve better health outcomes. Whether it's providing vaccines, improving sanitation, or offering education, these programs make a tangible difference in people's lives. Remember, small efforts today can lead to healthier generations tomorrow. And that's all for today's video on programs in community medicine. Now you know what programs are, the types, and how they work to improve community health. If this video helped you, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know your favorite example of a health program in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.